How to clean nighttime mouthguard. In this post I will show you how to clean your nighttime mouthguard. Are you among the countless individuals who rely on a nighttime mouthguard to safeguard their teeth from the perils of grinding or clenching during sleep? Keeping your mouthguard in pristine condition is paramount. Neglecting its cleanliness can be detrimental not just to your oral hygiene but also to the longevity and effectiveness of the device. In this in-depth guide, we will explore the intricacies of cleaning and maintaining your nighttime mouthguard to ensure it remains both efficient and safe. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the world of mouthguards, let's dive into the art of keeping your oral protector in top-notch shape. Why cleaning your nighttime mouthguard matters. Before we delve into the cleaning process, it's crucial to understand the significance of maintaining a clean nighttime mouthguard. 1. Oral hygiene. A mouthguard spends hours in your mouth, collecting bacteria, plaque, and food particles. Neglecting cleaning can lead to problems like bad breath, gum disease, and tooth decay. 2. Device longevity. Regular cleaning ensures your mouthguard will last longer, saving you money in the long run. Failing to maintain it properly can result in cracks, discoloration, and the need for premature replacement. 3. Comfort and effectiveness. A clean mouthguard is more comfortable to wear and functions better in protecting your teeth from grinding and clenching. A dirty or poorly maintained mouthguard can be uncomfortable and less effective. Now, let's explore the steps for effectively cleaning your nighttime mouthguard. Step 1. Start with a lukewarm water rinse. As you wake up each morning, the first step is to give your mouthguard a thorough rinse with lukewarm water. This simple action helps remove any loose debris and bacteria. Remember to steer clear of hot water, as it can harm the mouthguard's material. Step 2. Employ a gentle touch with a soft toothbrush and mild soap. For a deeper clean, employ a soft toothbrush and a mild, non-abrasive soap. Gently scrub the surface of the mouthguard, ensuring you cover all sides and any crevices. Pay extra attention to areas where saliva and debris tend to accumulate. Avoid using toothpaste, as it can be abrasive and may damage the mouthguard surface. Step 3. Soak for a thorough clean. To eliminate stubborn bacteria and stains, consider soaking your mouthguard in a denture or mouthguard cleaning solution. Follow the product's instructions for the recommended soaking time, and ensure it is safe for your specific mouthguard material. Step 4. Thoroughly rinse off residue. After soaking, rinse your mouthguard thoroughly with lukewarm water to remove any remaining traces of the cleaning solution. Ensure there's no lingering taste or odor. Step 5. Air dry. Allow your mouthguard to air dry completely before placing it in its case. Do not use a towel or tissue to dry it, as these can introduce bacteria and debris. Choose a clean, well-ventilated location for drying to prevent bacteria growth. Step 6. Proper storage is key. Store your mouthguard in its protective case when not in use. Ensure the case is clean and dry to prevent contamination. Steer clear of direct sunlight and high temperatures, as they can cause warping or damage. Extra tips for maintaining your nighttime mouthguard. 1. Clean your mouth before inserting. Brush your teeth and use mouthwash before inserting your mouthguard to reduce the transfer of bacteria and debris during the night. 2. Replace the case regularly. Over time, your mouthguard case can harbor bacteria and odors. Periodically replace it to maintain cleanliness. 3. Avoid harsh chemicals. Stay away from harsh chemicals like bleach or alcohol to clean your mouthguard, as they can harm the material and diminish its effectiveness. 4. Regular checkups. Schedule routine dental checkups to confirm your mouthguard's condition and address any concerns or issues. Summary. The art of cleaning and maintaining your nighttime mouthguard is fundamental to your oral health, device longevity, comfort, and effectiveness. Adhere to the detailed steps outlined in this guide and maintain consistency in your cleaning routine. By integrating good oral hygiene and device maintenance into your daily life, you can enjoy a peaceful night's sleep and protect your smile for years to come. So, make cleaning your nighttime mouthguard an essential part of your daily regimen, and you'll reap the rewards of a healthier, more comfortable night's rest.